students. How are you all? Fine. Very good. Welcome to science video class. Today we are going to start a new chapter. What is the name of a chapter? Air around us. What is the name of a chapter? Air around us. Same chapter we have learned in class 1. Do you remember? Yes, but in this class we will learn something more about the air. We will learn in details about the air. Okay? Yes, we can feel air. Yes, can we see air? No, we cannot see the air, but we can only feel the air. Look at here. Air is all around us. We feel it only when it moves. Moving air is called wind. When we will feel air? When the air is moving, and moving air is known as a wind. If the wind blows very gently, if the wind is moving very slowly, then it is known as a breeze. When wind blows gently, it is called breeze. What we have learned? If the wind is moving very slowly, then it will known as a breeze. And if the wind is blowing very fast, then it is known as a storm. Look at here. When wind blows very fast, it is called storm. It usually comes with thunder, lightning and rain and blows things away. How does storm comes? With thunder, lightning and rain. During rainy season, during monsoon season, what is that? Storm ya breeze? Storm. Why storm? Because during rainy season, wind blows very fast. And if wind is blowing very fast, then it is known as a storm. Till here, we have learned in class 1. Yes ya no? Yes. Now, let us move forwards towards the characteristics of air. Here we will learn that air has a direction, air has force, air has speed, then uses of air. Okay? Yes. First of all, air has a direction. How can we decide the direction of air? How we will come to know that in which direction air is moving? Yes, there is one technique or one activity also you can say. What you have to do? If you are standing at a one place, then you have to see that in which direction trees are moving. You can also see that if you are standing at a windy place, then you can also see that in which direction clothes are flying. Then at the time of kite festival, you can also decide the direction of air. How you will decide? The direction in which kite is flying. It is the direction of air. See, air always blows in a direction. This direction can be seen in the movement of branches of trees, smoke from the chimneys, etc. How we can decide the direction of air? We can decide with the help of trees. See, if we are standing and if the trees are moving in this one direction, then we can say that this is the direction of air. If you stand in a windy place, the direction in which your clothes fly will show you the direction of the wind. See, the same example what I have given you. If you are standing at a windy place and if your clothes are flying in a direction, that is the direction in which air is also moving. Then one more example, that is of kite festival. Yes ya no? Yes. So air has a direction. Now next page, come to page number 79. Next is air has a speed. Strong wind has very high speed. It can change the direction of a things like kites, balloon, smoke, etc. If the wind is very strong, then the speed will also high. During the storm, the speed of the air is very high. It will also change direction of our things like kites, balloons. Yes ya no? Yes, you can experience this all the things during the kite festival. Yes ya no? Yes, kite festival is very near. At that time, you can see that air has a speed. Then, the direction in which your kite will fly, it will known as the direction of a air. Yes ya no? Yes. Next is air has a force. Moving air has a lot of force in it. It blows everything that comes in its way. If air is moving in very high speed, then it will also have a force in it. Yes ya no? Yes. Sometimes in news also we are hearing that due to high speed of air, some house, some trees have been broken down. We are hearing it or not? Yes, sometimes if air is so much, then the clothes are also flying away from that hanger. Yes ya no? Yes. So what we can say? That air has a force. A storm can even uproot trees and blow the sheds of the kacha houses. If the storm is there, if the speed is very high of air, then what will happen? It will uproot the trees. Look at the picture. Here air is in a very high speed. So what has happened? It has uprooted the trees and the shades of the kacha houses also. So what we have learned? Air has a force. Now Debbie's time. Write T for true and F for false. But Debbie's time you have to do it in a homework section. Let us move forward. Air is useful. What are the uses of air? Can you tell me? Yes, air helps us to fly the kites. Then air helps aeroplanes to fly in the sky. Then parachutes. Very good. Let us learn some more uses of air. First, wind helps yachts to sail on a water. All of you have gone for a boating? Yes ya no? Yes. So, how the boat will move? Boat move with the help of a wind. Next is clothes. Wind helps clothes to dry faster. If the wind is there, then the clothes will dry fast. Next is aeroplanes. Wind helps aeroplane and other things to fly. Turn the page. Take next page. Yes. Look at this picture. What is this? Windmill. Which picture is this? Windmill. How we use windmill? Windmill will produce electricity. It is also used to draw out water from the wells. But when the windmill will move? With the help of a wind. Wind moves the blades of a windmill. See, these are the 4 blades of a windmill. It will move with the help of a wind, and when the windmill will move, it will help us to produce the electricity and draw out water from the wells. Next is hot air balloon. Look at here. What is this? Hot air balloon. Wind helps a hot air balloon to rise and fly. Next is, what is this? Plants. How wind will help it? Yes, see, due to the winds, the seeds of a plant go to far off places. See, wind carries the seeds of a plants. Wind carries the seeds of a plants to far off places. Later, these seeds grow into new plants. What will happen? Due to the wind, the seeds of a plants will move towards the other places, and then the seeds help the plants to grow. Next is, yes, what is this? A boy is blowing the instrument. Air is used to blow instrument like flutes, trumpets and mouth organs. If we want to blow this instrument, then what is needed? Air. Understood? Yes. Take next page, page 81. Next is clean air. We use air to breathe. Yes or no? Yes. If living things want to remain alive, then what is the main things? Air, food and water. But nowadays, air is becoming too dirty. Why the air is becoming dirty? Because of the dust and harmful gases. See, air becomes dirty because of dust and harmful gases. These gases come from smoke of vehicles, factories, crackers, etc. How does air become dirty? With the dust and harmful gases. And from where does these harmful gases come? See, look at the picture. From the smoke of a vehicle, from crackers, from smoke of a factory. So what we should do? We should try that we can keep the air clean. How we can keep the air clean? Yes, we should not burn the crackers. Then we can also use solar vehicles instead of this type of vehicles. Yes or no? Yes, we need to breathe clean and fresh air to stay healthy. If we want to become healthy, if we want to stay healthy, then which type of air we should breathe? Clean and fresh air. If we breathe impure air, we can fall sick. If we are breathing dirty air, impure air, then what will happen? We will become sick. Plants keep air fresh and clean. We should grow more plants around us to remain healthy. How does air will become fresh and clean? By growing the plants. So what we can do is, we should grow more and more plants, so that what will happen? So that air will become clean, and then it will makes us healthy. Understood? Yes. So students, what we have learned in this chapter? Air around us. What we have learned? Air has a direction, then air has force, uses of air and clean air. Okay, now we will fill the textbook. We will do writing portion in our next video class. Bye. Take care.